biyaheng Siargao. Okay, sakay na tayo. Good morning mga kasenyor. Today we are doing land tour. On part 1 of our land tour adventure, we went to Secret Beach, the Coco Grove, and Suba Lagoon. Now we're at Suba Lagoon and we are now proceeding to our next destination, which is the Magpupungko Rock and the Maasin River. We'll also be having lunch here at Suba in Del Carmen. So join me as we continue our land adventure here in Siargao. Ating land tour, ito ang ating van, biyaheng Siargao. Okay, sakay na tayo.
Good morning! Welcome to Suba Lagoon, Siargao! Mabuhay!
Leaving Suba Lagoon and proceeding to Del Carmen for a quick lunch. Medyo malamig. Lunchtime, dito tayo sa Del Carmen. Yan. Pili tayo na ating pagkain. Nasa tayo ng ulan, kaya marami tayong makakain. Ano isda? Kakain muna tayo. Opposite.
Opposite mo, Mel?
Ano meron? Maganda dito? Ha? 100. Ay, sadya. lunch venue, Hill at Darkamen. Several store offering buffet all you can. But we opted for the 200 peso lunch, which I think tastes better than the buffet. We just arrived at Magpupungko. So we'll be walking from here. Sometimes there's a lively local market and they're making binangi. It's boiled banana. Binangi sa Tagalog. Kapit lang naman lalakaran, diba? Eh, Magpupungko. Here we are at Magpupungko. Lots of people. We're walking to Magpupungko. I understand it's only possible to get here during low tide, so we waited until low tide to come here. And the sun is a little bit powdery, so not easy to walk on. Okay, these are the rock formations. They're very nice rock formations. At low tide, we're seeing seagrass. So finally, we reached Magpupungko. This is just one of the rock formations that you can only visit during low tide. So it's very beautiful right here, and plenty of people enjoying the low tide. There's a small lagoon at the back where people are swimming actually. And on this side, you see the Surigao waters, which is perfect for surfing. But this place is quite okay because low tide, you can be able to come here only during low tide. So right here at my back is a very interesting rock formation. I believe this was formed maybe hundreds of years ago because we are actually already on the Pacific side. That's already the Pacific side, and strong waves and wind and water has probably curved these Magpupungko rock formations here in Siargao. So there's plenty of very nice places to see. Actually, just looking at them, it's already scary. If you look at this place, it looks like it was only placed here on top of this rock. And this rock, I don't know, might fall anytime soon. Hopefully not this time that I'm here. But anyway, It's nice to see Magpupungko finally. It's one of the best attractions that you can see when you get here in Siargao. So we are at the edge of Magpupungko. This is already the Pacific side, and we're seeing huge wave coming from the Pacific Ocean. And this is like a tidal pool. So many waves coming in. Fortunately, it's not yet that season, but the wave is quite strong, so we're not allowed to cross this portion. Stop. So many people now are back and enjoying Magpupungko. Here, I think they want to jump. I'm not sure, but we're going back. Let's try some binangi or broiled banana. Anay? 20 isa. Pabili. May sugar at saka may margarine, yes.
Lagyan?
Oo.
20 ra sir.
20.
Okay, let's have inihaw na saging or binangi with sugar and margarine here at Magpupungko. Good. I like this one. Next destination is Maasin River. Let's go. Souvenir shops around Maasin. This Yes. Welcome to Maasin River, firefly watching, jumping board, river crossing, small lagoon. Good afternoon. So 600, good for
Yes,
3.
sir, 600 for the boat po, but for 3 naman,
Ganda naman ang post mo.
Diba? Chill na chill siya talaga.
Ito na yung mga
Sige po, thank you.
boat.
You ready to jump?
So we're going in the tunnel. Wow. It's like a tunnel of mangrove. Other plants. So we can walk. Morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's like a
You want that? Yes.
Someone.
From
Your
US.
name is?
We are Idan.
Don. From Manila, Alabama.
And you? My friend.
Espanol. Wait, gonna give the back is over there.
The
Wait,
bag.
wait, wait. Like at night, wait.
Hold on.
Just jump, sir.
Don't dive.
Ito ma'am, start ma'am. Only back clip, double clip. Come on.
Gorka, yay! Guys, what dito ka?
Hi folks, we're here at Maasin River and we will be wrapping our second day of adventure and exploration here in Siargao. So on part 1 of our video of land trip. We were able to explore the hidden, the secret beach, the Coco Grove, and of course, the magnificent and the beautiful Sugba Lagoon. Now, for the second part of our video, we started with lunch in Del Carmen after doing our Sugba Lagoon expedition. We were drenched in rain, in waters, because as we were traversing the river going back to the port, it rained very hard, so we were all wet. Fortunately, we were able to catch up with the lunch. Del Carmen lunch usually is at the Carinderia. It's already part of the land trip tour. I ate some lechon kawale and pancit and rice, and after that we proceeded to Magpungko rock formation. It's a very interesting place because we saw a lot of beautiful rock formation. I think it was all the rocks there were carved by time itself, because Magpungko is actually facing the Pacific side, so there's plenty of unusual rock formation. Of course, it has also a very nice beach. After Magpungko, we proceeded here to Maasin River, where we are right now. It's a very relaxing place. Actually, I was not able to go around because I just want to watch the river. People taking the boat all the way up river. So with that, I'd like to end my vlog now. Thank you very much for watching. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog. See you soon.